Okay, that is the silent strike. Let me take off the chains. That's better. That is the silent strike. It is pretty much an exact copy of the American Classic, except it's done by Umarex. Umarex always does great shit. And these are pretty much a few of every pellet I have. So I don't know, let's pick one, and then we're going to shoot this old dull can of pineapple juice that I've had weathering out here in the yard for some time. That is today's choice, pretty much the first one that came out. It's a copper. So we're going to load that into that and pump it up 10 times before we shoot at that. I just love the way this thing loads. You can just hear that bolt chunk. And we throw our little bullet in here, just like that. And load her in. 3, 4, 5. Yes, I don't need to be reminded. I need a tripod. 6. Wow. Alright, I have to sequel that video because of unfortunate events. This is just me shooting the tin, shooting the juice. Oh! And yes, I just shot myself with a crap load of pineapple juice. Beautiful. Went through one side, as you can see. She's a bleeding. And yeah, ha ha ha, I got soaked. Wow. I hope that was worth it. Yeah, Beavis. I did it.